Alright, so here are the ingredients needed to make our Greek Yogurt Chocolate Chip. First we add in the butter, then we'll melt it for 3 minutes at 60 degrees and speed 2. Wow, look at that butter melt. Ta-da! Butter has been melted. Next we add in the plain flour, all-purpose flour, and then baking powder, followed by baking soda, not to forget our sugar, and 2 eggs, some vanilla essence, or you can even use vanilla pods. Greek yogurt. Oh, look at that, delicious. And simple 5 seconds at speed 5 is all you need to mix it. Let's have a look. Whoa, it's done. Okay, now we scrape the sides and add in the chocolate chips. Again, for 5 seconds and speed 5. That's all we need. Let's go. Are you ready? And voila! Look at that, all done and prepared. Now transfer and pour the batter into the cupcake. Bake it in the oven at 200 degrees around 18 to 20 minutes and enjoy it. Delicious. Oh, I love that chocolate chip. It is so good.